Hello everyone and welcome. Today is a shout out video for a gentleman called Southpaw Pete's Picking. He left a comment in my notifications of one of my videos that said this. So, to that end, I thought we as a locksport community could get together, shower this guy with some locksport love, and maybe send him a few things. And I don't have much to give away. I've already given away a few things to a couple of friends. So most of what I had, I just acquired, so I haven't picked it yet. But it's kind of like when you pick it, you don't mind letting it go. But I've got a few of these. I can spare one of these. This is a United States Postal Service L1172C. I can spare one of these. I can give you, Pete. Here's a tumbler that I've picked in the past a few times. It operates smoothly. It's not terribly hard to pick, but you'll have a lot of fun picking it. You can have that. I was going to have this as an item for my potential upcoming 200 subscriber appreciation giveaway, but I'll tell you what, Pete, if you want it, I'll give it to you, buddy. And last but not least, I'll throw in a couple of stickers. Okay, so I can hook this package up for you. I don't know where you live or anything about you, but you said you wanted some loving. We as a Locksport community are going to get together and show you some loving, buddy, Locksport style. So everybody watching this video, you're my subscriber, you're my friend. Give Southpaw Pete's Picking some love. Give him some. Visit his channel, check out his content, subscribe and like and comment. Seems like a pretty good guy. I would like for you, Southpaw Pete, to introduce yourself on Discord so we can get together and know where to send you this stuff. Believe me, the Locksport community will bend over backwards to help you out, bro. We're going to shower you with an avalanche of Locksport loving, trust me. So get on over to Southpaw Pete's Picking channel, show him some love, and let's get together and send him some stuff. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Have a good day, Pete. Take it easy, buddy.